Our client design and manufacture bespoke exterior lighting for the world's leading performance and luxury automotive brands. They combine advanced R&D with flexible low-volume manufacturing. They approached us to help set up a single-piece flow production line to create a more flexible, productive and traceable manufacturing process. We used our digital manufacturing solution Tascus to guide, control and track production of lamps with digital work instructions. Barcode scanners and integrated label printers enabled them to track and trace products through their factory. And Industry 4 connectivity to electronic torque wrenches and parts present sensors to ensure the correct process was followed at all times. Our client was able to track work in progress using our online dashboard and get downtime alerts using Andon lights at each workstation. They then made data-driven manufacturing process improvements by analyzing actual versus standard process time to balance labor across their production line, and to systematically identify areas for improvement. Operations Excellence Manager Prismslaw Kubicki said, "Tascus helps us to make our products easily and with full traceability. We are now capturing assembly times, which is helping us to streamline and improve our processes."